Myself, Dr. Shashikant Swankar from Department of Biochemistry, CCM GFC, Kachandur. Today, we will discuss upon molecular biology. The terminology of molecular biology was first coined by Warren Weaver in 1938. Molecular biology is the branch of biology that deals with the molecular basis of biological activity, particularly genetics and biochemistry. It chiefly concerns with the understanding the interaction between various systems of cell, including interaction between DNA, RNA and protein synthesis and its regulation. Molecular biology is the study of gene structure and function at molecular level to understand the molecular basis of hereditary, genetic relation and various pattern of gene. It is the study of molecular understanding of replication, transcription, translation and cell function. Central dogma of life, it is also known as central dogma of molecular biology. DNA synthesized from DNA by replication and RNA synthesized from DNA by transcription and protein synthesized from RNA by translation. This flow DNA to RNA and RNA to protein is known as concept of central dogma. Biochemistry is the study of chemical substances and its vital role in living organism. Genetics is the study of effect of genetic differences on organism, especially in absence of normal component or gene. Genome of an organism is complete set of genetic information including all of its gene. Each genome contains all the information needed to build and maintain the organism. Various species have various size of genome, like human genome contains 46 chromosome, in which it is arranged in 23 pairs, out of which 22 is autosome and 23 is sex chromosome. This sex chromosome determines the human can be male or female, set of XX in female and sets of XY in male. In chimpanzees, genomic size is 48 chromosomes, in rat it is 42 chromosome, in fleas 8 chromosomes and in bacteria single chromosome. In human genome, each cell carries 3.2 billion DNA base pair. All cells in an adult contain DNA which can run around 70 times from sun to earth and back. Human genome has 46 chromosome arranged in 23 pairs. This is known as diploid status, in which 22 pairs are autosome and 23rd pair is sex chromosome. As we discussed earlier, XX present in female and XY present in male. All cells except mature RBCs have 23 pairs of chromosome. This is diploid status, whereas in gametes where single set of chromosome is present, only 23 chromosome present in gametes. This is haploid status. Mature RBCs have no nucleus, so no genetic material in RBCs. This picture shows the distribution of human genome in 23 pair. We can see the 22 pairs of autosome and last 23rd pair is sex chromosome, set of XX in female and XY in male. Gene is the basic unit of heredity. Gene is a segment within a very long segment of DNA. Locus is the place of chromosome where gene is situated. In other words, gene present on chromosome in its place is known as locus. Nucleic acid present in nucleus. Nucleic acid are long chain polymeric biomolecules that play essential role in all the cells and viruses. The monomer unit is repeating unit is known as nucleotide. A major function of nucleotide involve the storage and expression of genomic information. Deoxyribonucleic acid DNA encodes the information of cells need to make protein. DNA encodes information in the form of RNA and RNA through translation synthesize protein. Nucleic acid are responsible for the transmission of inherent character from parent to offspring. They are responsible for the synthesis of protein in our body. It has also played a major role in the studies regarding biological evolution and genetics. Through proteins and enzymes, DNA controls the cellular constraints and activities essential for survival and reproduction of a species. DNA fingerprinting is the molecular method used in forensic science for the paternity and also used to identify the criminals is based on nucleic acid. We can classify nucleic acid into two categories, DNA and RNA. DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA is ribonucleic acid. Building block of nucleic acid is nitrogenous base, pentose sugar and phosphate group. Nitrogenous base is purines and pyrimidines type, pentose sugar is deoxyribose and ribose sugar type, it is pentose sugar and phosphate group. In this structure, we can see the double helical structure of DNA and RNA single helical structure. DNA contains adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine, whereas RNA contains adenine, uracil, cytosine and guanine. We can differentiate DNA from RNA primarily by sugar present in DNA and RNA, nitrogenous base, helical organizations. In the DNA, sugar moiety is deoxyribose type, whereas ribose sugar present in RNA. DNA contains nitrogenous base as adenine, guanine, thymine and cytosine, whereas RNA contains adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. DNA contains thymine, whereas RNA contains uracil. Rest of nitrogenous base are same in DNA and RNA. DNA is double helical structure, whereas RNA is single helical structure. DNA follows Chargaff's rule, whereas RNA does not. DNA has no modified bases, whereas RNA contains modified bases. DNA is very stable molecule, it is stable for lifelong, whereas RNA is highly unstable molecule, its half life is very short. Now, come to the deoxyribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid is double helical structure and complex polymer of DNA. DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is complex polymer of monomer unit called deoxyribonucleotide. DNA is double helical molecule in which nitrogenous base attached with each other by hydrogen bond. Building block of DNA is nitrogenous base, pentose sugar and phosphate group. In nitrogenous base, purines are adenine and guanine, whereas pyrimidines are cytosine and thymine. Pentose sugar is deoxyribose sugar type. In this slide, we can see the building block of DNA, sugar moiety, phosphate and nitrogenous base, purines as well as pyrimidines. DNA is double helical structure and double helical structure of DNA is proposed by Watson and Crick in 1953. The composition of DNA in base according to the Chargaff's principle. Number of adenine is equal to the number of thymine nitrogenous base and number of cytosine nitrogenous base is equal to the number of guanine nitrogenous base. So, overall purine and pyrimidines are equal in DNA according to the Chargaff's rule. Edwin Chargaff and colleagues analyze the base composition of different species and conclude DNA from different species have different base composition, whereas DNA base composition from different tissue of the same organism is same. Age, nutrition and environment have no effect on DNA base composition. DNA is long thread like molecule consisting of double helical structure. In each strands monomeric unit joined with phosphodiester bond between 3' hydroxyl group of nucleotide and 5' phosphate of the adjacent nucleotide. Backbone of the strand is made up of alternate phosphate and deoxyribose molecule. Two strands of DNA molecule are antiparallel and complementary to each other. Two strands of DNA held together with the help of hydrogen bond, hydrophobic interaction and van der Waals bond. Hydrogen bond between nitrogenous bases in adenine and thymine having 2 hydrogen bond and between guanine and cytosine having 3 hydrogen bonds. In this slide we can see the backbone of DNA is made up of sugar moiety and phosphate. Nitrogenous base attached with sugar moiety and 2 nitrogenous base attached to each other by hydrogen bond. In adenine and thymine 2 hydrogen bonds and between cytosine and guanine having 3 hydrogen bonds. This is very simple picture. We can understand better sugar and phosphate seen in strands and nitrogenous base attached with sugar moiety and 2 hydrogen bond between adenine and thymine, whereas 3 hydrogen bonds between cytosine and guanine. Different type of DNA exist in the nature, out of which 6 type of double stranded DNA are known, in which B form of DNA is most common type. DNA differentiate from each other by number of bases in each turn, length of pitch in each turn, diameter of DNA helix and nature of groove. Normally, P type of DNA is most common type of DNA. It is most commonly exist in the nature. It is right handed helix. Pitch of each turn is 34 Armstrong. Each pitch has approx 10 base pair, means each base pair is 3.4 Armstrong apart from other bases. 10 base pair present in each pitch. It has major and minor grooves. Chargaff's rule followed and strands are complementary to each other, means in the B form of DNA adenine nitrogenous base is equal to purine nitrogenous base. Both the strands are served as template. Next existed DNA is Z type of DNA. It is zigzag in structure, not truly helix. It has left handed helical structure and each turn contains 12 base pair. Repeating unit is 2 base pair. It is transient structure, it is not a permanently structure. So, Z DNA conformation has difficult to study because it does not exist as a stable structure of double helix. In ribonucleotide, RNA is polymer of ribonucleotide. Building block of RNA is nitrogenous base, pentose sugar and phosphate. In nitrogenous base, purines are adenine and guanine, whereas pyrimidines are cytosine and uracil. Pentose sugar is ribose type and phosphate group. RNA is single stranded molecule. Nucleotides are joined together by 3' 5' phosphodiester bond. Chargaff's principle not applicable for the RNA. In this slide, we can see the RNA is single stranded structure. Backbone of RNA is made up of phosphate and sugar moiety. Sugar moiety is joined by phosphodiester bond. Nitrogenous base attached with pentose sugar. Nitrogenous base present in RNA is adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. We can classify RNA by coding and non-coding. mRNA is coding type of RNA and non-coding RNA further classify as housekeeping RNA and regulatory RNA. Housekeeping non-coding RNA are further classified as tRNA and rRNA, whereas regulatory non-coding RNA is long non-coding RNA and small non-coding RNA. Long non-coding RNA contains more than 200 nucleotide long structure, whereas small non-coding RNA has less than 200 nucleotide long structure. Small non-coding RNA further divided into microRNA, small nuclear RNA, small interfering RNA, small nucleolar RNA, etc. Now, come to the messenger RNA. It is also known as mRNA. mRNA synthesized from DNA in nucleus and come to the cytosol It is important for the synthesis of protein with ribosome. mRNA carries genetic information from DNA in nucleus to cytosol in the site of protein synthesis. Sequence of mRNA is complementary to DNA. Size of mRNA is highly variable because the number of nucleotide correspond to the coded peptide. Half life of RNA is very short because it is very reactive. RNA reactivity of RNA is due to hydroxyl group present in the second position of the pentose sugar. This hydroxyl group is absent in DNA, so DNA is a stable molecule. In this slide, we can see RNA synthesized from nucleus and come in the cytoplasm for attached to the ribosome and synthesize protein. The primary transcript RNA is called as heterogeneous RNA. It is primitive type of RNA. It is heterogeneous nuclear RNA is immature RNA. After post transcriptional modification, mRNA matures. Post transcriptional modification includes capping at 5' end, leader sequence and poly A tail. Capping 7 methyl capping at 5' end, leader sequence immediate after capping and important for initiation of transcription, and it is untranslated region. So, leader sequence is untranslated, coding region is region for translation, and poly A tail helps to stability of RNA. Now, come to transfer RNA, tRNA. tRNA is long single strand of nucleotide which acquires a secondary structure due to the complementary sequence in different regions of a strand. Structure of tRNA is cloverleaf model. It has 4 armed structure: acceptor arm, anticodon arm, D arm, T arm, and one additional arm is variable arm. This is cloverleaf model structure of tRNA. We can see the acceptor arm, anticodon arm, D arm, T arm, and variable loop. Variable loop is in between the anticodon arm and T arm. tRNA plays a key role in protein synthesis. tRNA carries the amino acid to the ribosome, which is the site for protein synthesis. Acceptor end of tRNA. The acceptor end is called as because it accepts the specific amino acid. It is made up of 7 to 9 nucleotides. It has 2 ends, 3' end and 5' end. 3' end consists of a base triplet CCA with hydroxyl group, whereas 5' end consists of phosphate group. Carboxy group of amino acid joins to hydroxyl group at the 3' end of tRNA. Anticodon end, it is made up of 5 bases. It contains of codon that are complementary to the codon present on mRNA. Therefore, it is known as anticodon. Anticodon is the triplet base sequence in tRNA which binds with the codon at the time of translation. There is a specific tRNA for the particular amino acid. Base pairing between the codon and anticodon helps in the synthesis of protein. There are no tRNA for a stop codon, but it has a specific tRNA for initiation codon. D arm, also known as enzymatic arm, it is present on the lateral side of molecule that recognize amino acyl tRNA synthase. It activates the amino acid and catalyze the binding of a specific amino acid to a tRNA molecule. It contains of 3 to 4 bases and is called D loop because it contains a modified nucleotide called dihydrouridine. T loop contains 4 to 5 bases and a loop consisting of modified uridine called pseudouridine. Variable loop is present between anticodon and T arm. This loop is of variable in size, ranges from 3 to 21 base. It is present between the anticodon and T loop. It recognizes tRNA molecules. Ribosomal RNA, rRNA. RNA found in ribosome is known as ribosomal RNA are rRNA. The molecule is responsible for protein synthesis. It composed 65% of ribosome. Bacteria codes for the 3 rRNA type, 6S type, 16S, 23S and 5S type, whereas eukaryote code 5S, 5.8S, 18S and 28S. A small RNA contains less than 200 nucleotide long sequence. In eukaryotes, it is large number of small RNA contains less than 200 nucleotide base. In eukaryotes, large number of small RNA is present. It ranges from 20 to 200 base pair. It is non-coding type of RNA. It is present in nucleus as well as in cytoplasm. Small nuclear RNA are 150 nucleotide long. A small nuclear RNA have catalytic activity involved in the processing of rRNA, mRNA and regulation of gene expression. It also involves in removal of intron and nascent mRNA. MicroRNA, miRNA, it has 21 to 25 nucleotide long base. Generation of microRNA by cleavage of large precursor in the nucleus. MicroRNA inhibits gene expression. It also prevents translation of defective mRNA. A small interfering RNA, siRNA. siRNA are 21 to 25 nucleotide long. It derived from large precursor of cleavage of specific nucleases. siRNA inhibits the targeted mRNA by hybridizing with them. miRNA and siRNA are the area of current research. We will discuss about application of molecular biology. Molecular biology is the field of research. It is widely used for the research purposes in various fields for the diagnosis of rare diseases, genetic diseases, for the sequencing. During transplantation, molecular biology is used for the matching between acceptor and donor. For the forensic science, molecular biology is used in the criminal cases and also it is used to identify the species. For the diagnosis, molecular biology is used for the diagnosis of rare diseases and also used for genetic diseases. Genetic diseases like thalassemia, sickle cell disease and inherited and also other inherited diseases. For the paternity disputes, molecular biology also essential. It exactly indicates the parents for the paternity disputes. Gene therapy is most emerging branch in molecular biology. For the untreatable diseases, genetic diseases, gene therapy is the mode of treatment for disease in molecular biology. For the drug designing, modern era is era of personalized medicine and molecular biology is used for the personalized medicine. Thank you.